let's do some baddie makeup. Of course, we have to start out with the La Roche-Posay spring thermal water just all over your face. Do not forget to drown in this shit, bitch. It's real hot in Vegas, so we need it. Since I've been traveling, I've been putting my moisturizer in this little bottle, and this is just a triple repair face moisturizer from La Roche-Posay as well. Make sure to moisturize your face and your neck. Fill in the bushes with the NYX brow pencil. This shit is fucking amazing because it's very precise. It's not like using the Anastasia de brow pomade, which I also love, but this is great. Now we can use the NYX brow glue to just glue the bushes down, bitch. I would usually carve out my brows with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, but today we're just gonna be using the Infallible 24-Hour Foundation from L'Oreal. And you're gonna just go ahead and do this little thing to start blending it into the skin before you actually blend with a beauty blender. What I like the most about this foundation is that you won't really need to conceal your pimples because it's very full coverage, it's cheap, it has SPF in it, it's fucking amazing, and you're gonna see how it looks on the skin. When you're blending out your foundation, try not to put any of that foundation right where you're gonna be putting your concealer so that it doesn't crease. Now with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige, you're just gonna start concealing these areas. We're also gonna put some around the nose so that we can bring some brightness to the face, some around here, and then just a little bit right here. You can honestly just blend it all with the same beauty blender, and here we're gonna start doing like a little bit of a line so that you won't need to contour so much. Once you look like this, you're gonna start adding some of the e.l.f. contour wand all on these areas that you're gonna see me fucking do it, bitch. I don't need to name them like I always say because you're literally watching. For this, you could either blend with a brush or you could just blend with a beauty blender. With the beauty blender, it's not gonna look so dark, and with the brush, it'll look a little bit darker because it won't pick up so much of that product. Once it looks like this, you're gonna grab some of the Airspun loose powder on a very small beauty blender, and you're just gonna start setting on the areas where you put concealer at. So that's setting in place. We are gonna go ahead and just bronze the face with the Matte Sunkissed Physicians Formula Bronzer. I love the Milani Luminosa blush, so all the time you're always gonna like probably see me using the Milani Luminosa blush. Sometimes I'll use other ones, but this is my favorite one. Did I just fucking break it? For the lips, we're gonna do a brown lip liner with some nude lipstick. For the lipstick, we're gonna be using the L'Oreal Honey Matte Ace Beauty Glow Highlighter Palette in the shade Glowing for the nose. And that's how you do a baddie makeup look. Let me just show y'all. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Ah! Bingo! Okay, these are the heels.